In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new document in Affinity. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the new document window, choose the right page size for your project, and create a clean canvas that's ready for your work. This process is consistent across the Affinity apps, so whether you're in Photo, Designer, or Publisher, the steps will feel familiar. First, head to the File menu. You'll find it at the top left of your screen on both macOS and Windows. Clicking File is the standard way to start anything new in Affinity and ensures you're working from a known, reliable place in the interface. If your workspace looks busy, don't worry. Just bring your attention to that top menu bar and click File to open the drop-down of core commands. Next, click New. This opens the new document window, which is your control center for setting up the size and format of your project. Think of it as the blueprint stage. You're telling Affinity what kind of canvas you want before you start designing or editing. If the window takes a moment to appear, that's normal. It's loading presets and layout options to make your setup faster. Now, choose your page size. You'll see a range of presets like A4, letter, and common photo or web sizes. Pick the one that matches your goal. Print documents typically use standard paper sizes, while digital graphics often use pixel-based sizes. If you need something specific, you can enter custom dimensions. While you're here, check the orientation and units. Portrait is taller than it is wide. Landscape is wider than it is tall. For units, inches and millimeters are common for print, while pixels are ideal for screens. It also helps to confirm resolution if you see that option. 300 dpi is a classic choice for print, and 72 to 144 dpi works for screens. If color settings are visible, RGB suits digital projects and CMYK is a print standard. And if you're preparing for professional printing, look for bleed and margin options so your artwork extends cleanly to the edge when trimmed. If you're unsure, selecting a familiar preset like A4 or letter is a safe starting point. You can adjust later if needed. Finally, click Create Document. Affinity will open your new canvas with the settings you just chose. You should see a blank page ready for content, and your document properties are now baked into the file. From here, you're all set to begin designing, drawing, or laying out your work with confidence.